Hello and welcome to Monday's Assembly. It's good to see you again. Have you been well? I hope so. Now, today we have a couple of things that we're going to be talking about and doing. The first of them is our school precept, is this week's precept. And here it is.
I'm not concerned with your liking or disliking me. All I ask is that you respect me as a human being, by Jackie Robinson. Remember, we talk about how we're all different, and that's okay. And we don't have to like each other to be respectful to each other. And we must remember, respect is an important part of who we are as human beings. Always respect.
Right, I know you've been waiting for it. It's time to talk about our challenge for this week. Our challenge for this week, challenge 6, is going to be to make a puppet. Now, I would like you to make a puppet that has to do with a character in a story that you've been reading, or one of your favorite stories, or maybe it's from a story that you're reading in class now. This puppet can be made any way that you want to, and I thought that I would give you some ideas of some of the kinds of puppets you can make.
So you may try to do finger puppets like these. Or how about these? These are looking really cool, just using pipe cleaners. Or maybe making some that like this horse out of paper. I like this one. Wow, you just put your fingers through it and make it dance. Or these of two children they made using their fingers. Or you might want to use some lolly sticks and make some puppets in that way. Or then you just might want to make a larger puppet that you pin together. And one of my favorites is the sock puppets. I love sock puppets.
Another thing I wanted to talk to you about today was some of our mindfulness strategies. You know, the things that we do to help us keep calm and relax, particularly when we're finding some of the things stressful and frustrating. And I know some of you might be feeling that right now. One of the most important things we remember that I've taught you is some nice, good, deep breathing. Remember, you put your hands on your belly so you can feel your belly blow up like a balloon. You inhale deeply. Hold it for a second and then exhale. Why don't we try the snake breath? You know that one. Remember, where we make the hissing sound? Remember, we inhale for a shorter time. We exhale for a longer time. So, ready? Hands on your belly. Take a nice deep breath in. You remember that one? Let's try it again. Inhale. Exhale. Remember that when you exhale, let your shoulders relax. Let your body relax into it. Right, we're going to do 5 of those. Are we ready? Ready, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Well done. Well done. Remember, if you're feeling a bit anxious or worried or mad or sad or whatever it is, take 5 deep snake breaths to help you to relax. Remember to relax your shoulders when you do that. Do that a few times a day. It will help you to feel better throughout the day. So what puppet are you going to make? I can't wait to see it. Make sure that you put it online on Twitter, take a picture, put it online, or that you send a picture to your teacher and tell your teacher that you want it sent to me so we can get them put on our celebrations assembly for Friday. All right? You got it? Puppets. I can't wait to see them. Maybe you'll even act out some of the parts of the story and record it for me. I can't wait. All right, people. Time to get started. Have a great week. See you later.